Imagine standing in the middle of a bustling city, people walking down busy streets, the sun shining brightly above. Then, within moments, the sky turns dark. Clouds gather at an alarming rate, and before anyone can react, the first raindrops fall, turning into a torrential downpour. Traffic halts, streets flood, and chaos ensues. Now, imagine a world where this very storm could have been prevented, or even directed. What if we had the power to control the weather itself? This is the story of how we might one day have that power, and the challenges, risks, and potential it holds. For centuries, humans have watched the sky with a sense of awe and helplessness. Ancient civilizations tried to predict the weather, worshiping gods of rain, wind, and storms. In modern times, however, weather forecasting has become an exact science, and humans have begun to take steps toward not just predicting, but shaping the weather itself. The dream of weather control was once thought impossible. But today, we are closer than ever to making it a reality. The journey toward weather manipulation began with a simple idea: if we can make it rain, we could ease droughts and help crops grow. In the 1940s, scientists discovered that they could use silver iodide to trigger precipitation in clouds. This process, known as cloud seeding, was initially used to enhance rainfall in arid regions, offering a solution to dry areas around the world. The technique, while still in use today, was just the beginning. What if weather could be manipulated on a much larger scale? What if humans could not just encourage rain, but change the very fabric of atmospheric conditions? Cloud seeding sparked new possibilities, but the real breakthrough came with the development of technologies that could alter wind patterns. For the first time, scientists realized they could control how storms formed and even influence the trajectory of severe weather systems. The concept was simplified by using vast networks of technology. They could steer or redirect weather patterns to reduce the intensity of storms, prevent natural disasters, and help areas in need of rain or sunlight. By 2003, advances in technology allowed scientists to use satellites and ground-based systems to alter weather conditions over large regions. The potential to protect communities from hurricanes, tornadoes, and extreme heat waves became a tantalizing possibility. As weather technology improved, it didn't take long for the world to realize that controlling the weather could be more than just a way to prevent disaster. It could save lives. In areas hit by frequent floods or droughts, controlling rain or altering wind currents could create stability and improve food production. But as humanity began to experiment with weather control, unforeseen challenges arose. The more we meddled with natural systems, the more we realized how complex and interconnected the atmosphere truly is. Small changes in one area could have unintended consequences in another. By 2022, researchers began to notice that localized weather modifications were influencing broader climate patterns, causing shifts in rainfall or temperature in nearby regions. Weather, it seemed, was a delicate balance. While the promise of controlling weather was powerful, the risks of overstepping were equally significant. Scientists and governments began asking tough questions. How much should we alter nature? When is it okay to intervene? And when should we leave things to chance? Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of weather control kept pushing the field forward. Scientists now knew that with enough data and precision, they could predict and even manipulate weather systems with unprecedented accuracy. The use of weather control for agricultural purposes expanded, helping farmers in regions where droughts once made growth near impossible. In parts of the world facing extreme heat, weather modification techniques helped lower temperatures, providing relief to vulnerable populations. This new era of weather manipulation was not without its controversies, though. Ethical debates surrounding weather control raged on, with questions about who should have the power to control the skies. Should it be in the hands of governments, international coalitions, or private corporations? And perhaps most importantly, how could humanity ensure that this powerful technology would be used responsibly? In 2024, a new technological leap promised even greater control over weather systems. Engineers developed a system capable of influencing global weather patterns, using satellites and advanced weather models to direct large-scale weather changes. Could this mark the dawn of a new era? One where weather patterns were as predictable and controlled as any other man-made system. But even with the brightest minds on the job, questions remain: can we truly manage such power? As we continue to develop new techniques, the challenges grow. Weather systems are becoming more unpredictable, climate change is intensifying, and new complications are emerging. Still, the promise of weather control remains one of the most revolutionary ideas humanity has ever pursued. The question remains, will we become the masters of the sky, or will we realize too late that some forces of nature are better left untouched? As we continue to explore the potential of weather control, the balance between progress and caution will determine whether we can truly shape the future, or if nature will always have the last word. The power to control the weather is within our reach, but only time will tell how far we are willing to go to wield it.